Bennett and Hayes London is being promoted as a premium British-inspired clothing brand with big discounts and timeless elegance. But the real question is whether it's actually a legit boutique or just another rebranded online fashion store. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Online clothing brands using London heritage branding are very common, and many do sell real products. However, here's the key point. Bennett and Hayes London shows multiple patterns commonly seen in low-trust or dropshipping style fashion sites. There are some surface positives. The website presents clean, professional design strong British heritage, story attractive clothing, styles, large discounts, and bundle deals. But these are exactly the elements used to build quick trust. There are several red flags. First, constant heavy discounts. The site promotes 40% to 75% off almost every item with limited time sales, which is a classic urgency tactic rather than genuine pricing. Second, generic brand story. Claims like inspired by London style and timeless elegance appear broad and unverifiable, with no clear history or proof of a real boutique presence. Third, lack of independent reputation. There's almost no credible third-party reviews or brand footprint, which is unusual for a genuine fashion label. Fourth, template style structure. The site layout, product naming, and sales tactics closely match many dropshipping fashion stores that rebrand similar products. So, is Bennett and Hayes London real or fake? It's likely a real store that sells products, but not a true London luxury brand. The bottom line is this. Bennett and Hayes London shows strong signs of a generic, marketing-driven fashion site, where the biggest risk is not getting nothing, but getting lower quality items that don't match the premium image. If you're expecting authentic boutique quality, it's safer to be cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.